Hello everyone. If you're a veteran who's confused or frustrated by the VA system, you're not alone. I've been there. My name is Todd Traczyk. I'm a West Point graduate, combat veteran, and founder of Benefits Beyond Service. After years of fighting through the VA system myself, I created an online coaching program to help other veterans navigate through the VA system and get the benefits they've earned, without delays, without confusion, and without lawyers. On this channel, you'll learn how to get documentation even if you've been out of service for 20, 30 years or longer, how to prove service connection for the issues you're filing for, how to avoid common mistakes so your claim doesn't get denied, how to prepare for C&P exams, what to say, what not to say, and how to appeal lowball ratings or denials. Every week, I'll show you proven strategies, insider tips, and the most advanced tools to help you win your claims, increase your ratings, and help you take control of your future. You've done the hard part, you've already served your country, now let's get the benefits you've earned. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's navigate the VA journey together.